Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video we're going to learn about how you can do formatting in Excel. Okay, we will cover this font section and the alignment section in this video. Okay, and under the font, in the font section you'll see a lot of options available here, starting with the font style, font size. You can highlight it by making the text bold, or you can add border, you can give background color, or you can change the font color. And in the alignment you can do stuff like left aligned or right aligned. You can merge two or more cells together. We'll look into this one by one. Okay, first we'll look at font section. In the font section, the first one is how you can change the font style. Okay, you can change the font style by clicking this down arrow mark. Excel will give you a lot of options. Okay, a lot of options. As you can scroll down, you can see here there are so many options. So I'll just select one and show you. I'll choose this Bookman old style. Okay, as you can see, the font style has been changed. Okay, and the next one is you can edit the font size using these two icons. The one with the upward arrow mark is to increase the font size, and one with the down arrow mark is to reduce the font size. Okay, so as you can see, it's reduced. Okay, so if you know what size you need, you can directly go and select it here. For example, if you want to select 16, the font size is 16. And the next option is bold. Okay, and this option is used to highlight your text. Okay, and you can do that by clicking this B icon. As you can see, the text has become bold. Okay, and there is also a keyboard shortcut to do this, which is Ctrl plus B. Okay, you can use this in the keyboard and you can directly make the text bold. As you can see, Ctrl B, you can make it. If you want to remove the bold, you can select the icon again and it will go away. Okay, and the next icon is italic. This option is used to change the font style to italic. Okay, let me show you. As soon as I click this icon, you can see this, the font style has been changed, and the shortcut key to activate this option is Ctrl plus I. Okay, and the next option we're going to see is underline. Okay, you can use this option to underline any specific or important text that you want to highlight. You want to highlight it to the viewer. Okay, just watch what happens. As soon as I click this, you see there is an underline. Okay, and you can even do that using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus U. Okay, and the next option is border. You can add border to your cells by clicking this options. Excel gives you a lot of options specific to your needs. If you want to add border only on the bottom, you can do that, or only on the top, you can do that, or left or right, or if you don't want any border at all, you can select this. For now, I'll show you how you can add border to this entire range of cells. I've selected this. I'll click this down arrow mark. I'll select all borders. Okay, now as you can see, I've added a border. Okay, so you can select whichever options you need as per your needs to it. And the next option is fill color. This is used to give background color to the cells. Okay, as you can see, I'll just click this cell and I'll click these options. You'll see a lot of colors here. You can select which one you want. I'll select this orange. As you can see, the background color has been changed from white to orange. And the next option is font color. Okay, you can use this to change the color of the font. If you click this down arrow mark, again you'll get the list of colors. You can select any one. I'll select this green, or I'll select this dark blue. As you can see, the font color has changed from black to blue color. Okay, so these are the options under the font section. Okay, now let's move on to the alignment section. The alignment section, the first option we're going to look is wrap text. As you see here, this is a one. Okay, this option is used when the text inside the cell is too long and it is not visible, completely visible. For example, as you can see in this table, the first column heading is name of the month. Okay, the heading is too long, hence only the name and the O is visible. Okay, if you want this entire thing to be visible within this column length, you can use this option. As soon as I click this, see what happens. Name of the month, the entire column heading is made visible. Okay, so this is a very useful options. Okay, and the next one is merge and center. Okay, and this option is used to join two or more cells together. For example, let me show you. I'll just select this 8 cells, and when I click this merge and center, all 8 cell has become one. Okay, I'll just type something. I'll just type month in it. Okay, now I can actually change the alignment of this text in the cell using these 6 icons. The top 3 icon is used to change the alignment vertically, and the bottom 3 icons is used to change the alignment horizontally. Okay, first we'll see the vertical alignment. Currently the text is aligned down. If I want to align it in the middle, I can do that. If I want to align it at the top, I can do that. So we'll keep it in the middle so that it looks good. Now we will see how you can align it horizontally. If I click this align left, the text goes on the left. If I click this align right, it goes on the right. We'll again keep it in the middle. We'll click align center, it comes in. Okay, so using the six icons, you can actually align the text as per your needs. Okay, the last option is how you can change the orientation. This option is used to change the text orientation, either vertically or diagonally, how you want it. You can do that by clicking this icon. You see A and B with a slanting arrow mark pointing upwards. This is the icon. As you can see, I've selected this cell and I'm clicking this down arrow mark, and if I click the first option, that is angle counterclockwise, as you can see, the month which was in the horizontal way, it actually went diagonally upwards. Okay, I can even make it completely vertical by clicking this vertical text. If you see this month, M-O-N-T-H, the text is written in a vertical way. Okay, if you want to go back to normal, you can select the option again, it will come back to normal. Okay, so using this icon, you can actually align your text in a diagonally or vertically. Okay, so these are the options related to font and alignment. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and please do share it with your friends, and I'll see you all in the next video with another content. Thank you so much.